Namaste, dear wonderful mother and caring father. Thank you very much for registering for Acharya's Garbha on Facebook or Instagram. Today we are going to discuss the real definition of Garbha Sanskar. Garbha means womb, Sanskar means education about values and ethics from the womb itself. In other words, we say it as Garbha Sanskar means nurturing your child and teaching the ethics or values inside mother's womb. Now, you have to read this along with me. I repeat, I want you to read this along with me. This is a unique concept developed by ancient rishis through which parents can have a baby with all the psychophysiological attributes. What do you mean by psych? Psych means mind. Some parents, when the child is in the womb itself, at that time they say, I want my child to have achieving ability. I want my child to have bravery. I want my child to have confidence. I want my child to have determination. All these things are mental ability. So it is called as psych. Mind is called as psych. What do you mean by physiological attributes? Physiological attributes are related to your physical complexion. Some parents would say, once the child is in my womb, I want my womb to have a curly hair. I want my eyes to be blue-eyed baby. I want my child to have fair skin. I want my child to have nose like this, a chin like this, the physical complexion. Okay, this is the real meaning of Garbha Sanskar, a unique concept developed by ancient rishi through which parents can have a baby with all the psychophysiological attributes parents want to be in their baby. Now, this means by Garbha Sanskara, parents can plan and program their baby the way they want. Now listen, the wonderful, reliable, effective and unique science catering to the needs of modern parents. Here are some proofs of Garbha Sanskara. This is the child they visualized when the child was in the womb. During pregnancy, the lady visualized, pregnant women visualized this baby and she delivered this baby. See how closely it resembles the baby which she visualized during pregnancy. And one more proof. This is the baby she visualized during her pregnancy and this is the baby she delivered. Look at the eyes. Very, very, very close. Isn't it? Now this is the baby they visualized during pregnancy and this is the baby they delivered. This is the baby they visualized during pregnancy and this is the baby the couple have delivered. And this is very interesting. This is the baby they visualized and this is the baby they delivered. If you pay very close attention, even the chin, this part has come as they visualized. Now, dear wonderful mothers and caring fathers, if you are interested in knowing how to design, develop and deliver a divine baby, then this Sunday I am conducting a live webinar. Please attend the live webinar and make your pregnancy precious. Wishing you a healthy pregnancy and safe delivery.